Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This afternoon we will discuss about the wiring diagram of series circuit. This is the line 1. This is line 2 in using Cebu area, line to line. Line to ground is Mindanao area. Line to neutral is Metro Manila area. This is the safety switch. This is the line side supply. This is the load side. This is itong line 1 natin connected sa switch. Ang dulo ng switch, another is connected to bulb 5. Ang dulo ng other terminal sa atong bulb is connected to bulb 4. Yung other terminal sa bulb 4 connected to bulb 3. Yung another terminal pang bulb 3 connected to bulb 2. Another terminal sa bulb 2 connected to bulb number 1. Then another terminal sa bulb 1 connected to the line 2 sa ating safety switch. Then another wiring diagram for parallel circuit. This is line 1, line 2, or ground or neutral. This is the safety switch. This is load side connected sa switch, single pole, 1 gang. Then another terminal sa switch going sa bulb 1 o bulb 2, naka-series siya sa other sa dito na terminal, then other terminal naka-series po para parallel siya. Then connected sa bawat isa, then connected to line 2 para sa ating safety switch. The Bible verse of the day, Ephesians 1 verse 13. In whom ye also trusted, after that ye heard the word of truth, the gospel of your salvation. In whom also, after that ye believed, ye were sealed with that holy scripture of promise. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching, guys. And God bless. To God be all the glory.